Hi there, explorers! Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Today we're diving into a magical journey. The water cycle. It's an incredible process that keeps our planet alive. It's like a fun roller coaster ride for water, and guess what? It never stops. Water is constantly moving and changing forms. Buckle up as we learn how water travels from the earth to the sky and back down again. Water is everywhere and it's always on the move. It's in rivers, lakes, and even the oceans. These water bodies are essential for all life on Earth. It's what we drink and what helps our plants grow. Without water, life as we know it wouldn't exist. But did you know that the water we use today is the same water dinosaurs splashed in ages ago? That's right, it's been around for millions of years. That's because of the amazing water cycle. This cycle ensures that water is continuously recycled and purified. Are you ready to learn how it works? Let's go. Together, we'll explore each stage of the water cycle and discover its wonders. Evaporation. Our journey begins with evaporation. Remember when you left your wet swimsuit out in the sun and it dried up? That's evaporation. The sun's warmth is like a giant hairdryer. It turns the water into an invisible vapor, which is like steam, and sends it up, and away, into the sky. Imagine the water molecules putting on their tiny jetpacks and zooming into the air. The hotter it gets, the faster they fly. It's like a giant water park in the sky. Isn't that cool? Now let's see what happens to all that water vapor in the sky. As the water vapor goes higher, it gets chilly up there. The higher it goes, the colder it becomes. Just like climbing a mountain, where the air gets thinner and cooler. The air cools down the vapor, just like when you blow on hot soup to cool it. Imagine the cool breeze gently touching the vapor, making it lose its heat. As it cools, the water vapor turns back into tiny little water droplets. This process is called condensation, where gas turns into liquid. These droplets are so small and light that they float in the air, bumping into each other and sticking together. They form clusters, creating a misty appearance in the sky. Guess what they form? You got it, clouds. These clouds are collections of countless tiny droplets all gathered together. They're like giant puffs of cotton candy made of water. Imagine fluffy, soft clouds floating above, looking good enough to eat. Some clouds are big and fluffy, while others are thin and wispy. Each type of cloud has its own unique beauty and tells us something about the weather, but no matter their shape or size, they're all filled with tiny water droplets. These droplets are what make clouds visible and give them their distinct forms. Section 4, Splish. Splash goes the rain precipitation. As these cloud puffs keep gathering more and more water droplets, they get heavier and heavier. It's like filling a balloon with too much water. Eventually it bursts. When the clouds get too full, all that water falls back down to Earth in the form of rain. Sometimes, if it's freezing cold, the water droplets turn into ice crystals and fall as snow, sleet, or hail. So, the next time you see rain, snow, or hail, remember that it's just water droplets from the clouds returning home. Section 5. Back to the beginning we go. Collection. When the rain falls, it lands on the Earth, filling up rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is the first step in the water cycle, where water collects in various bodies of water, creating a reservoir that supports life on our planet. Some of it also soaks into the ground, where it waits for its turn to evaporate and start the cycle all over again. This underground water is crucial as it replenishes aquifers, which are natural underground storage spaces for water. This collected water is super important because it gives us the water we drink, helps our crops grow, and keeps our planet healthy. Without this collection process, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. Plants, animals, and humans all rely on this essential resource. So, there you have it, the amazing water cycle. It's a natural process that ensures water is always available in different forms, whether it's liquid, vapor, or ice. It's a continuous journey of water traveling from the earth to the sky and back down again, keeping our planet alive and thriving. This cycle is vital for maintaining the balance of our ecosystem and supporting all forms of life. Fun activity time, let's sing a song about the water cycle. Sing to the tune of the wheels on the bus. The water goes up, the water comes down, up to the sky, then back to the ground. The sun heats it up, evaporation. Forming clouds high, condensation. Then it falls down as precipitation. The water cycle, a watery creation.